Hi everybody, this is a video for BlocksCad, and I'm going to show you how to clean up your code. You may have already seen this in one of their videos, but I thought it would be helpful if you haven't. So as you can see right now, my code, I'm getting a lot of code and I want to add a few things, and the area is getting a little busy. So since I know all this code works, I can make it a little smaller. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a comment. So if I hold the control key down, click on the word color, add a comment is one of the choices. So I choose that. Oh, maybe that didn't take. Oh, remove comment. Oh, then when you see the question mark, then you click on the question mark and it gives you a little box. So I'm going to say what this code is. And this is going to be the bottom. And then I can close the comment. And then watch what happens when I hit control again. I hit control. I click around where it says color. And I collapse the blocks. So now all that code's in a nice small block and I can put it up here. I'm going to do the same thing with the next piece of code. Control, click on translate, add a comment, click on the question mark, and now I'm going to put in middle, because that's the middle of the snowman. Click on the question mark to close it, hit the control again, click on translate, and collapse the block. Now, are you noticing, I'll make this a little bigger so you guys can see, that these blocks are named. So if you want to look at some of the code or you need to edit any of it, bottom and middle are there and labeled. So I'm just going to quickly do that to the top and then the hat parts. So control click, add comment, hit the question mark. This is the top. Close it, control click, collapse block, and just stack them up here. Now I'm going to have a lot more room to program the rest of the snowman. So the control works really well. And add comment. Then I will do bottom of hat. Close it. And you want it to describe it enough so you'll know what it is. And then I had the top of the hat here. You do have a lot of area, but it just makes it nice and neat. And then you can see everything at once. And then if you want to open them, I'll show you that in a minute. So I'm going to add a comment, hit the question mark, top of the hat, close it, and collapse it. So say I wanted to change something on my hat. Maybe I wanted to change the color or the size. I can control click on the piece of code and then I can expand it. And now I can go into transforms and I can choose a color and put it in. I think I'll make it red. And now I'll render it and you'll just see the difference in the color. So the top of the hat is red. And I can go and collapse this again by control, click, collapse. Now I can program anything else, other items for my snowman.